Are you searching for the best mini chainsaw? In this video, we will look at the 5 best mini chainsaw, which save you time and money. Number 1. Geevorks 21V 6-inch Portable Cordless Chainsaw. This chainsaw is proper size and also easy for you to hold and use it. This product is made of fine material, which is practical and easy to operate, has a wide application and has a long service life, so you do not need to change them often. This product is perfect for pruning, splitting, firewood, cutting wood and so on. Come on and try it, it will not let you down. Cordless design, lightweight and portable, easy to carry out in cutting the wood. The saw chain has been deep quenching by high temperature, with sharpening saw teeth, more wear resistant, smooth cutting, with high working efficiency, high positioning accuracy, low noise, which can give you a better using experience. Powered by 21V rechargeable lithium battery, which can provides quick charging and supports long continuous working time, with nice durability and long endurance.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Yofidra 8-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw, brushless motor, strong power, fast cutting speed, improve efficiency, with automatic spray lubricating oil design, sharp strong chain, high quality alloy chain, wear resistant and durable, fast and smooth sawing without jamming, portable design, soft rubber handle, anti-skid and sweat absorbing. Widened baffle design, to prevent wood chips from splashing during cutting, heat dissipation hole design, efficient ventilation and heat dissipation, wide application. This electric chainsaw has a wide range of uses, can be used for forest cutting, cutting wood, pruning branches and so on.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. Amore 6-inch 21V Mini Powerful Cordless Electric Chainsaw. The rechargeable electric chainsaw is light and portable, with long battery life and no damage to the bark. Lightweight body, lightweight and convenient, lightweight design, long time holding is not tiring, pure copper motor, strong power, fast cutting speed, improve efficiency, practical, fast, and low power consumption, fine quality switch, infinitely variable speed, intelligent circuit control board, overload protection. 2. Meet your different construction needs. The special guide plate and the tungsten steel ball do not need to be lubricated, so that the machine can reduce resistance during operation and reduce the wear on the machine. It is small in size and can be held with one hand. High quality guide chain, deep hardened, more wear resistant, smooth cutting.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. ONEVAN 3000W 6-inch Brushless Electric Pruning Saw, portable design, soft rubber handle, anti-skid and sweat absorbing, widened baffle design, to prevent wood chips from splashing during cutting, heat dissipation hole design, efficient ventilation and heat dissipation, wide application. This electric chainsaw has a wide range of uses, can be used for forest cutting, cutting wood, pruning branches and so on.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Gisam 8-inch Brushless Electric Saw, portable handheld chainsaw, upgraded 8-inch chain with cutting speed up to 25 feet per second. This thing cuts right through 0 to 6-inch branches and unwanted tree limbs like butter, cutting 8 wood with ease. Even though it's an 8-inch chainsaw, it just weighs 3.2 pounds, and adult men can handle it with one hand easily. One of the best points is while it produces a clean cut on big inch wood, it's not too noisy, not like a gas chainsaw.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.